The traditional approach to online trading often requires staring at erratic, overlapping charts for hours on end to make sense of the market. Now, artificial intelligence can handle the heavy lifting of parsing that data. AI functions as a high-speed research assistant, organizing vast amounts of market data into actionable checklists. It cannot, however, guarantee profit or replace the core logic of a trading strategy. Instead of handing over total control, we are going to build a custom 8-step AI trading workflow. This system will act as your personal research and analysis assistant, structuring information so you can trade smarter. You do not need to learn how to code, and you do not need expensive software. To build this workflow, you only need standard charting software, a basic AI chatbot, and a demo trading account. Delegating raw data collection to AI allows you to focus your attention on high-level decision-making. You act as the final filter for the structured facts the system provides. The most common mistake beginners make is opening an AI chat window and asking an open-ended question like, "Should I buy or sell gold today?" AI requires strict boundaries to function effectively. Before you consult the AI, you must select your specific market and write out your exact technical parameters. For example, let's establish a strict technical rule. The market must be trending above the 200 exponential moving average, and the price dips into a predetermined support zone. To complete the setup, you require a bullish candlestick to close at that exact support level. These rules form your logic. The AI's analysis will only ever be as accurate as the parameters you feed it. Now that you have a clearly defined strategy, you can translate those human rules into a structured prompt for the AI. A strong prompt combines your personal strategy rules with a request for specific market data. You input your requirement for the 200 EMA and support level, asking the AI to verify if current price action meets those exact conditions. To eliminate blind spots, you also instruct the AI to cross-reference your technical setup with any upcoming high-impact economic news releases. The AI processes these instructions and generates a custom checklist, mapping live market data directly against your rules, organizing the information into a clear format. Verifying these objective data points creates a barrier against impulsive entries. If the checklist shows a missing requirement, you have a physical prompt to stay out of the market, regardless of how a price move might feel in the moment. Having a structured checklist is progress, but it does not mean the strategy works. Before you risk any capital, you must test those rules against historical market data, a step known as backtesting. You can use AI to quickly organize years of past performance data. This allows you to calculate your total win rate, your average profit and loss, and your maximum drawdown over a specific period. Treat any claim of a 100% guaranteed profit AI system with extreme skepticism. The financial markets contain inherent risks that no algorithm can fully eliminate. If you plug a flawed, untested strategy into an automated bot, the AI will not correct your logic. It will simply execute losing trades faster, draining your account balance without any human intervention. Automation amplifies the quality of your underlying strategy. That is why testing your rules extensively on a demo or paper trading account is a mandatory safety net. Even if your strategy performs well in backtesting, you still have to execute it live. And human psychology, specifically greed and the fear of missing out, remains your biggest vulnerability. To protect your capital from your own emotions, you use the AI to construct a final pre-trade risk management firewall. This is a strict set of questions to answer before placing an order. Is the setup valid? Am I following my strategy? Is the risk to reward acceptable? This firewall rule is absolute. If the answer to any question is no, the trade is aborted. The AI provides the structure, but your strict adherence to this discipline is what actually dictates your long-term consistency in the market. When we put it all together, the workflow is clear. Select your market, define your strategy, use AI to organize information, conduct your technical analysis, cross-reference the setup with your rules, calculate your risk, record the trade in a journal, and finally, review your performance regularly. Throughout this process, the AI acts as an accelerator. It reads the economic news, synthesizes the technical requirements, and formats the checklists at high speed. But the critical responsibilities, controlling the total risk, maintaining emotional discipline, and making the final execution decision, rest entirely with you. Success in 2026 relies on a symbiotic relationship where human logic provides the strategy and AI provides the processing power. This combination ensures every trade is backed by both speed and structural discipline. If you are ready to start building your own rule-based strategy, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Trade smart, manage your risk, and keep learning.